is Asia's iconic leader for justice and human rights. Congratulations to Attorney Lorna Kapunan.
She is one of the most renowned attorneys in the country and the founder of Kapunan Garcia Castillo Law Offices. She writes a weekly column in Business Bureau called Legally Speaking and hosts the weekend advocacy program at DWIBC Laban para sa Kapatagan.
I've been in the practice of law for 46 years, and I really appreciate this award. But I stand on the shoulders of lawyers, men and women, and human rights advocates who deserve this award more. Together with them and with your help, we shall continue and be committed to strive for human justice, for commitment to a rule of law, so that everybody under the rule of law gets equal rights. Maraming salamat po. I dedicate this sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.